Go.
Good morning and welcome to the Y3S training room. I'm joined here today by Matt and Barney of Y3S. My name's Chris Cox. I'm a senior broker manager here at Y3S. And we're going to be talking about some of the changes to regulations and a few examples where secured loans could be more cost effective and more beneficial than remortgaging. Just give you an example from the FCA's latest consultation paper 14/20, and I'll read. Where a borrower wants to raise additional funds, they must be made aware that in addition to a further advance or remortgage, a second charge loan may be more appropriate. Matt, Barney, can you give me a few examples where you feel secured loans could be more beneficial to a client than remortgages?
Hi Chris, yeah, certainly. The main area where a second charge loan is going to be more suitable for a client than a remortgage is where customers are an interest-only mortgage. There's around 11.8 million residential mortgages in the UK right now, and approximately 3.5 million of those are interest-only. So that's a lot of customers on interest-only mortgages. Now, where a client is on an interest-only mortgage, their payment's going to be a lot smaller than when they're on a capital repayment mortgage. And it often makes sense, or almost always makes sense for a client to take a secured loan as a top-up where they're trying to raise capital rather than remortgaging away from that interest-only product onto a capital repayment product.
That's a very interesting point. Very interesting point. Can I also make an additional point there, if I may?
Absolutely.
Thank you very much indeed. See, the other thing is that someone may have a favourable interest rate. Did you discuss that point?
No.
No. See, someone may have a favourable interest rate, Chris. You see, there are customers out there with, say, 0.15 above Bank of England base rate, which they secured that prior to 2008. Now, those rates are no longer available in today's market. Now, what would be the point in remortgaging that, losing that favourable interest rate, for the sake of raising an additional 35,000 on their existing first charge?
Okay, there's another which I've just thought of, just at that point. For example, if you've got a client who has been in arrears on their mortgage or have had a default or a county court judgment more than 12 months ago, a secured loan, second charge loan, may be the perfect example for them. We have lenders on our lender panel who can provide clients with secured loans, second charge loans, for clients who have had adverse credit over 12 months old. Now that's not something which is going to happen in the remortgage world. So another great area of a second charge loan may be a better solution than a first mortgage.
Do you know what? I've just thought of another one.
Go ahead.
What happens though in the scenario where someone who is self-employed set up a new business in the last year, 2-3 years, and they cannot prove their income?
Good point.
Thank you.
Well, I'm sure that can't be done.
Chris, that's a very interesting point. And in the world of the mortgage lending world, that can't be done. But it can be done in the event of raising a secured loan as a second charge using the available equity within the residential property.
And another one, where you've got clients who are older clients, elder clients. Quite often remortgage is not the best solution for them, or indeed a mortgage company won't look to provide them with the finance that they need or want. Secured loans, second charge loans, lenders and our lender panel are more sympathetic to these type of elderly clients, and the underwriting that is offered is more flexible towards these clients, and again that's a superb area where a second charge loan may be more suitable.
But surely where you've got clients at 60, 65 and you can't take them past that age with a mortgage, is that something that can be done on a secured loan?
Oh, Chris, good point. Well mentioned.
Thank
Again,
you.
that type of option is not available on a remortgage. However, on a secured loan, there are far more flexible criteria. Some lenders, for example, allow you to take out a loan which will complete by their customer's 80th birthday.
Interesting.
Wow, that's amazing.
Secured loans.
Second charge loans.
Well, I'm sold. Matt, Barney, thank you very much for your time. And thank you for your answers. Now, for any further information on any secured loan products or FCA consultation, please head over to www.myloanbroker.com. That's www.myloanbroker.com, where you can also get quotes day or night within 60 seconds. That's www.myloanbroker.com. Thank you.